Epic Jobs is a great way to get young people introduced to skilled trades.
The amazing thing about Epic Jobs is that the kids can see firsthand the workings of any profession.
The students get to try out little bits and to find out what they like and what they don't like.
They're so into the hands-on component of this.
There's some really great demonstrations going on that gets them involved in thinking about things they didn't know were a possibility. And they're running from place to place. And when you see a grade 8 student running from place to place, you know something's good.
We're learning about all the jobs.
I really liked the obstacle course.
I really like the welding.
Oh, we got to use a nail gun.
That was really fun. I like that.
Just exploring our options and what we can do when we're older.
This is all about planting seeds in kids' minds. It starts them on that course of looking at a meaningful career.
You go outside and you see the cranes and the incredible equipment. There is so many incredible options locally on what our students can get into.
It's a great way for the kids to get like a hands-on experience as to what's out there, like a crane. They just see it driving down the road and they don't think too much of it and they don't see it as a potential something that they can do.
This is exactly what's going to spur them to consider a non-traditional path outside of university, maybe looking at a trade college.
It's definitely encouraging me to join a trade.
I have had students from 2018, 2019, Epic Jobs, that have joined the school and become hairstylists.
I learned about hair styling and tools. So many opportunities.
Tap the strobe light right here.
It used to be that a 4-year college diploma ensured that your family was successful, and that's no longer true. The economy is ever changing, and we know that the skilled trades are not going away.
Skilled trades are all around us, and I think we take for granted a lot of times how lucrative they are and how many pathways are in skilled trades. You don't have to go to college or university to have a successful career. Apprenticeship is another pathway as well.
Our skilled tradespeople make as much as university-educated people. Our welders and machinists can make as much money as engineers.
To know that there's all those great apprenticeships available for them and that they can earn while they learn is wonderful.
It's the enthusiasm, it's the passion they get out of being here. Talking to people that are passionate about the work they do, the trades they have, it's infectious.
This event makes me want to join the trades more because it tells me a lot more about the trades and also what I can do for the trades.